All right, hello guys, welcome back. Today is March 23, um, Monday night. Just a quick recap of what happened today and what I'm looking for the rest of the week and tomorrow specifically. Starting off with NQ on the daily. Um, I was talking about yesterday how we didn't get any type of news or news driver um, showing optimism of this war conflict being settled. And then, today, this morning at 7 a.m. Eastern, we got this news driver that a 5-day agreement between Iran is in place or is in effect, and then markets rally. But then, we later get news that Iran is not negotiating with the U.S. and they are not um, talking with Trump, and they didn't agree to that 5-day agreement. So, there's a lot of market manipulation happening, a lot of corruption, to be honest. Um, there was a lot of research already happening showing that there was a lot of trading activity happening here just before the huge pump. So, it's just classic market manipulation so that, the higher ups, whatever they are, can make their money. And then, news will come out soon enough that, hey, this war conflict is not being settled. And once that happens, it'll be an abrupt back down to a downtrend. Very similar to last week, ceasefire, and then Trump says Iran's going to get harder than they've ever got hit before. I'm expecting the same thing. 5-day agreement. And even the 5-day agreement aligns with the weekend, and they like to do whatever they want on the weekend because the markets aren't open technically, so they can do whatever they want and then restore it by market open on Monday. But that's a little far out. We'll just play it by ear. We'll see what happens. Let me get into a recap. We did get this daily push up into premium, even with market manipulation. We still respect this level, and then from there we close. And this is kind of showing willingness to not want to continue higher and to maybe start moving lower. Um, so long as the news isn't true and isn't believed. I did take a trade. Unfortunately, I FOMO'd. I tried to take a long. I tried to take a long somewhere here in the 9 a.m. Yeah, right around here, and I just got stopped out. But I'm happy that I got off the charts right after, and I did not continue to dig a hole for myself. I'm trying to get better at it. I completely understood that today should not have been a trading day, but I was just being stupid. Monday, I've been waiting the whole weekend, and I was antsy. I got in, and yeah. But yeah, lesson learned. Great, great way to start off the week by humbling myself. And yeah, that's enough of that. Let's look at dollar. Dollar, we got that bearishness into discount as expected. Now I want to see what we want to do here, whether or not we want to respect and move higher or invert and then continue lower. We'll have to wait and see. And then I guess favoring bearish NQ, we'd like to see a bullish dollar, but we'll see as it goes. And then looking at ZB, very similar to NQ, popped up into a premium. That 4-hour FEG we were talking about, respected. We dug into this one just a little bit, and from there, kind of consolidated. We are right here inside of this consequent encroachment, and we are finding some kind of support off of it. So I'll have to wait and see what happens, what it wants to do. So yeah, just be very careful tomorrow. Keep playing it by ear. This whole thing is very shaky. So yeah, I hope you found this insightful. Please take care, be safe.